Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. If you saw last week's video, you know it was a nasty day, and it's just gotten worse. Like, it is like 40 degrees out and raining in the middle of summer right now. It is just nasty. And I am ready for bed like 10 hours ago. So we're going to try and do my other Farmall H. I hope you can hear me over the rain. We're going to try and do my other Farmall H oil change on the first try, no mistakes. Right, like that's ever going to happen. So, we have our oil fill, we have our oil filter, we have our oil filter drain plug, we have our two petcocks, our high and our low level, and we have our main drain. So we're going to start. Luckily we can do everything with just one. I'm hoping that that comes off easy. Probably won't, but we'll cross that path when we get there. So we're going to start by draining the oil. She was running a little bit ago. I let her cool while I went and got parts. So, oil drain. I'm gonna let that wind die down for a second. Oh, that's not good. You got a little antifreeze in there. Well, I'm going to change the oil and then I'll get the rest of the stuff ready to fix the engine now for that. I'm sorry about how dark it is. It's just like, even with my lights. Can I get you? Or do I need to? Nope. Alright, hang on a sec. Let me go get my... Any pipe wrench time. You actually see that? It's really tight. Alrighty, that is not coming off. We're gonna have to just pop that without taking that off, which just means we're gonna have a little bit more oil dripping every place. So, as usual, things are not going as hoped for or planned. So now we're gonna come up here and take that off. Can you see? Are you recording? Alright, righty tighty, lefty loosey. That's not what I wanted to see today. At least all the oil drained out down there and I didn't have a huge splurge up here. Where's your ring? That one was set without even a ring on it. Yep, that one was set without a ring. Awesome. That's the one problem with buying used tractors, and I have had these for a few years, and I haven't changed the oil in them because I only use them for like 20 to 50 hours a year, so it's only like every 2 to 5 years, depending on which one it is. Like this one only gets used maybe 20 hours a year. So what we're going to do now, I don't know if you can see this. Yep, it kind of is. I got the new ring. I'm going to set that right over top of that. Oh baby, that was a nice flash of lightning. I don't know if you guys saw it or not, but I did. What the? And again, we're not tightening this all too bad. We just want a little deformation on that ring down there so that it seals nice and properly all the way around. Alrighty, she is done dripping, so I'm going to open both of these petcocks. Come here, you. That one's locked. Give me a hammer. Adjustable hammer. There we go. Sometimes they just need a little bit of love. As you can see, we are still windy. And I had probably a quart of antifreeze in there, so I definitely have to inspect her later. But I'm going to fill her right now with oil. I think I just left, yep, I just left my box. Anyways, I'm going to fill her right now with oil so I can at least drive her into my main shop. Oh yeah, all gooked up. Here, I'm going to put you down. Good. Situated. Alright, so I just added a little bit of oil. There it is, flushing everything out the bottom. Now, I haven't had any problems with her, and I'll have to check my notes. I don't think I've added much antifreeze to her, if any at all, which means that that's either a recent influx of antifreeze just over the winter, or it might have been somebody added it to the wrong thing before I even got her. And how I intend to check is, I'm going to start her up, I'm going to run her, I'm going to test the antifreeze, and if it's below the temperature that I got last year, I'll know whether I got a cracked engine block from the antifreeze freezing. There we go, we're just starting to drip from the lower petcock. Can you see that? Yes, I could see that. We're going to close her. There we go, we got a good drip going there. Close that. And there's a little bit extra in there, and that's just to fill this. After I run her for a little bit, I'll check the oil, see if I've got any more antifreeze at the bottom, and we'll go from there. So that was the, not ideal, but that was the better performance on the Farmall H Oil Change. Hope you guys are having a better summer than I am.